Hi class, so what I want to do in this video is walk you through, just real briefly, questions 3 and 4 on your module 4 case study here. So I'm just going to explain question 3 to you. I'm not going to actually do it, okay? Because this is a calculation that you're going to have to do. So there's a formula that you can look up for finding the mean and standard deviation from a frequency distribution table. Okay, and what it says is use the formulas for group data and the frequency distribution that you created in question 2 to estimate the mean and standard deviation of the earnings of all male professional athletes. So going back into Excel here, for question 3, you're just going to take this, okay, this table that you created here and find the mean and standard deviation from it. Okay, you don't need to do it for every different organization. You just need to do it for this table that you created here. Okay, and there's a formula for that, and you just follow that formula. You know, you find the class midpoints of each of these, you know, and then just follow the formula from there. Question 4, I'm going to go back to this one and do this again because I created an Excel file here that will help you solve this, okay? So it says select 3 organizations from chart 1. One small, one medium, and one large for analysis using the salaries in chart 2. Okay, so what it says is describe your criteria for small, medium, and large organizations. So, for example, looking here, you know, your small organization should probably be NASCAR or PGA. Your medium organization should probably be either Major League Soccer or NBA, and your large would then be, you know, Major League Baseball, NFL, or NHL, and explain, you know, why you think that. And what it says here, and this is the hard part that I wanted to talk to you again, it says create and interpret a side-by-side box and whisker plot for the selected organizations. All right, so I'm going to show you again how to just make this box and whisker plot here. So this Excel spreadsheet I will attach in the classroom for you. I put a tab down here called expanded data. And what I did was I took each sports organization for you. And for example, Major League Baseball says there's 353 people who make between $0 and $500,000. So what I did here is under Major League Baseball, I created 353 people, just scrolling down. Here it says 354 there because the first row is a header, that make $250,000 a year. And I did that for every single one of these for you. Okay, I expanded them out. So suppose I want to make the box and whisker plot in Statcrunch for MLB. So here's what you'll do. You'll take my MLB data that I have here, and you'll copy it, and then you'll go into Statcrunch, and you'll paste the data. Okay, you'll have all this data here. Then you'll go to graph, you'll go to box plot right here, you'll click MLB, and you'll hit compute. And that's what the MLB box plot will look like. And you can do that for multiple organizations. Okay, so it says side by side. So let me just do, let me add in Major League Soccer and NBA here. So you can do this, you can go graph. Now that I have all of them in there, graph, box plot, and you can select multiple ones here. I'm having a little bit of trouble like that. And then you can hit compute and you can see that it puts them all on the same thing side by side. So here you'll be able to look at the box plot. And I know that some of the box plots look weird, like for Major League Soccer it looks weird, and that's okay. You know, that's just what the data we have. So then you can save this image here. Again, just save it as question 4 chart. You're again gonna have to upload this into your files. And then once it's there, you can go back and you can embed it. Oops, sorry about that. From user images, question 4, and it's right in there for you. I know this is a lot of work, and I'm going to attach this Excel spreadsheet here for you, so that you'll be able to do it. But I've done a lot of the work for you here now and showing you how to access this stuff. It's not the easiest thing, but anything worth it is not easy. So stick with it. And as always, I'm here for questions.